Good morning, students. I am going to continue exercise 11.3. Question number 3rd, exercise 11.3. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. This means you have given total surface area of a cube that is equal to 600 centimeter square and find out the side of a cube. Then you write down exercise 11.3, question number 3rd, total surface area of a cube is equal to 600 centimeter square, and formula of total surface area is 6a square. According to question, 6a square is equal to 600, means a square is equal to 600 upon 6, that is divided by 100 times, and when you find out the value of a, this means you find out the square root of 100. You get by factorization 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. When you make a pair, you get 2 into 5, that is 10 centimeter. A means side of the cube. You write down side of a cube is equal to 10 centimeter. It is your answer. Okay. Here is Rukshaw painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter by 2 meter by 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? In this question, you find out the total surface area of cuboid and minus the area of the bottom, you get the painted area by the Rukshaw. This means you first of all write down length, breadth and height of the cabinet, that is cuboidal shape. Question number 4. Length is equal to 1 meter, breadth is equal to 2 meter, and height is equal to 1.5 meter. According to the given measurement, I can write L is equal to 1 meter, B is equal to 2 meter, and H is equal to 1.5 meter. Then you find out the painted area except the bottom. Painted area except the bottom is equal to 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL minus LB. You get 2 L1 B2 plus 2 into 1.5 plus 1.5 into 1 minus 1 into 2. You get 2 in the bracket, 2 1 that 2, 2 into 1.5 that is 3.0, and this is 1.5 into 1 that is 1.5 minus 1 to the 2. You get 2 into this is added together, you get 235,166.5 minus 2. You get, when you multiply 2 by 6.5, you get 30.0 minus 2, you get, that is 11 meter square. This is the painted area of the Ruksha. Okay. 5, that is Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? This means you find out the painting area by using the formula area of the four walls plus area of the ceiling, and you divide that area by 100, you get number of cans which is used to paint the hall or room. Okay, in this question, first of all you write down length, breadth and height of the hall. Question number 5, length is equal to 15 meter, breadth is equal to 10 meter and height is equal to 7 meter. This is given in your question. You find out the painting area. Painting area is equal to area of the four walls, that is 2 bracket L plus B into H plus area of the ceiling, that is LB. You write down the value. 2 L is 15 plus B 10 into H 7 plus 15 into 10. You get 2 into 25 into 7 plus 15 is now 150, and this is equal to 2 into 25 50, 57 is 350 plus 150, that is equal to 500 meter square. This is the painting area, and if you want to find the number of cans which are used to be paint, then you write down number of cans of paint. Number of cans of paint is equal to area upon total area upon area painted by one can, that is 100, means 0 is cancelled here, you get 5 cans. It is your answer. Question number 6. Describe how the two figures at the right are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface area? Okay. In this question, first of all, you write similarity. Similarity. Both have same height. Both have same height, 7 centimeter. Difference one is cylindrical and another is cubical. Then you find out the lateral surface area of both. Lateral surface area of cylinder, lateral surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h, where 2 into 22 by 7 into diameter is 7, then radius is equal to 7 upon 2 into height is 7. You cancel it. 7 is cancelled by 7 and 2 is cancelled by 2. You get 7 to the 14 and 7 to the 14 and 150. 154 centimeter square. Lateral surface area, lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4a square, that is 4 into a is 7. 7 square, you get 4 into 49, that is 4 9 are 36 and 4 4 are 16 and 3 19, 196 centimeter square. This means lateral surface area of cube is larger. When you compare 154 centimeter square and 196 centimeter square, 154 is less than 196. This means the lateral surface area of cube is larger than lateral surface area of a cylinder. Okay.